So that's the moment we were waiting for so long.
We're finally covering all the insulation from the walls and then we'll proceed with the ceiling. It's a pretty exciting time.
We're gonna close the wall in two steps. First, we're gonna use this material to serve as a vapor barrier, and then we'll cover it with plywood. So we're just gonna cut it to shape, staple it on the wall, and then we'll have to be careful to mark where the cable runs behind. Okay, so we can finally put the walls.
Yeah, looks like we finally have our spaceship.
What would you say, first try?
I would say it's a fit.
It's a fit, first try. Okay, let's see. So, second try. This one is the one. For some reason, when I was using the plunge cutter, it went out of the guide and just freely run through the plywood. So I'm gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna mix some wood glue and some sawdust, and when we have kind of a putty texture, we're gonna try to fill this void and really pack mixture in there, and hopefully it will look like it never happened.
One more step before being able to paint all this beautiful wall.
Now we're trying to fill all the holes from the screws in the plywood, and we're also gonna see if that fix worked.
We'll see. I always feel like it's the last step before painting the wall, but actually it turns out there are plenty of next steps. Now I've been filling all the small holes with filler. Now, beside that, we're not gonna look at that for now, but we're gonna try to fix this line. It's not really pretty, so I'm gonna try to even the curve of the wall so it looks even prettier, and then for sure I'll find some more steps before we can finally paint the walls.
When he's doing an artwork right now, she became a painter.
Let's hope that it won't look like that afterwards.
It's the moment we say we don't know what we're doing.
No, never. It'll look amazing.
Hopefully. Happy about that?
We'll see. Let's start the day by doing the worst. I would say that's my least favorite task when it comes to woodworking, which is sanding.
Sanding. We have a lot of sanding to do today. So we're getting there. So the fix is working. It seems solid now. There's just a lot of sanding.
So walls are almost done. Here we can see it looks already pretty nice. Now it's time to get a ceiling.
We're gonna start with installing the ceiling cladding.
So hopefully we will not see any insulation from now on.
Yeah, you're right.
Very good news.
So what we're using for the ceiling is a type of cladding. It's spruce wood, and those are actually pretty thin. It's 1 centimeter in thickness. You're actually putting a lot of weight on top of the van. When you're driving, you're gonna really feel the weight moving around when you turn. So the lighter, the best for the ceiling. We're gonna start the tedious task of measuring each pieces of wood and then cut it to the perfect length.
Halfway there, but it already looks like something.
Going well? Those are the last pieces of the ceiling. And just like that,
We have a ceiling.
the ceiling is done.